Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 power x minus 2 equal 40 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. Now 4 power x minus 2 equal 40. As per exponent rule, x power m minus n, we can write it as x power m by x power n. So it's 4 power x by 4 power 2 equal 40. So we can write it as 4 power x by 16 equal 40. So 4 power x equal 40 times 16. So if I'll take log on both sides, so log 4 power x equal log 40 times 16. Now I'm going to use two log rules, that is log a power b, we can write it as b log a, and log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So it's x log 4 equal log 40 plus log 16. So if I'll divide both sides by log 4, so this will cancel out. So x equal log 40 plus log 16 by log 4. Now this 40 I can write it as 4 times 10, while this 16 as 4 square by log 4. So again I'm using the same identity. So it's log 4 plus log 10 by log 4 plus this log 4 square, we can write it as 2 log 4 by log 4. So this will cancel out. So x equal log 4 by log 4 plus log 10 as 5 times 2 by log 4 plus 2. This will cancel out. X equal 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 by log 4 as 2 square plus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus log 5 by 2 log 2 plus log 2 by 2 log 2. So x equal 3 plus 1 by 2 log 5 with base 2 plus this will cancel out plus 1 by 2. So x equal 3 plus, if I'll take 1 by 2 as common, so log 5 with base 2 plus 1. This is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.